Hello, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can log on onto your Twitter account using Twitter mobile app installed on your mobile phone. To watch the video on how you can install Twitter mobile app on your mobile phone, click the link at the top. So after installation, you click on the Twitter app icon. Then you log in with your username and password. Now it's loading. So this is my Twitter web portal on my mobile phone. So to log in, you can log in with your Google account, or if you don't have a Twitter account, you can create by clicking on create accounts. And if you have already have Twitter account, you click on login to log in into your Twitter accounts, your username and password. So I'm going to log in. If you are not logging, to prompt you to sign in with your Twitter accounts, you can click on login. Then you enter your username. This is my username. That's techped.net or Techped. Then click on next. Then you enter your password. And then you click on login to log in onto your Twitter accounts. So there's my Twitter accounts. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to receive an update anytime we upload new video. Thank you.